Hello guys, I'm going to do a little evaluation of these props. These are the Master Air Screw stealth propellers for the Mavic Air. As you can see, they are put right here, installed on the Mavic Air. You can see it right here. They're a really nice prop actually. What I've noticed, you can't hear it. I went for a flight this morning with this thing. I was flying it around. I flew it, probably 1,000 feet from me and around over the river where I could still see it, of course. And I could not hear the damn thing. I actually lost it. I'm sitting there. I said, I can see in my viewer that, well, it's coming back here. Where was it? And I said, oh, there it is. You get this thing 50 feet from you, it quiets right down. I mean, you can't hear it. It's utterly amazing, these props are. These are the version 2 propellers for it. So would I recommend these out of 5 stars? I'll give them 5 stars. These things are utterly amazing for the money. So if anybody out there has a Mavic Air and they want to try the stealth propellers from Master Air Screw, the version 2s are the way to go. I had to change no settings on it whatsoever. I just had to put them on there. I went and test flight, and I even noticed my flight time. I wasn't eating battery like I normally do. I still had plenty of battery when I got done flying around. I flew it around for a good 15 minutes or so. I mean, and it still had plenty of battery to get it back. So they say typically it's about 20-minute flight time. I think I gained about 2 to 3 minutes of flight time with them. So if anybody is thinking about these and has a Mavic Air, I'd highly recommend you spend the money for them. They're $25 on Amazon right now. And if you go to Master Air's website, you can get them in 3 different colors. But it costs you some more because you got to pay for the extra colors and you got to pay for shipping. I just got the black ones. But would I recommend these? Yes, I would. Do I love them? Yes, I do. Did I know anything on the drone itself, on the Mavic Air? Yes, it's a lot smoother. My controls with my sticks, I noticed when I was flying it too, the input, the motors aren't, when I got done flying it, I put my hands on the motors to check the heat of them. They weren't that hot like they normally would get either. So the motors are running cooler. The handling of the drone is better. The flight time is better, and it's quiet. So there's 4 things that I feel will help this thing out. And I'm glad I bought these, and would I use them again? Buy another set? I don't. At this point, the stock props are spares if I need them in emergency. But other than that, if I get to a point where I want to replace these, I'll just order another set. So would I get? Yeah. So I don't want to keep going on about these, but I absolutely love the things. Anybody out there that's thinking about getting them, I'd recommend you would. You'll absolutely love the things. I couldn't believe how quiet it is. You get the thing 50 feet away from you, you can't hear it. Well, not whatsoever. You can see it there. You can see it's moving around, but you don't hear the motors winding. So there you go. This is my first official review I've done on my channel of a propeller. So of anything. So try these out. You'll like them. Bye bye.